In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor activity logs in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find audit information, how to filter it to answer specific questions, and how to export it for reporting, all while keeping your site secure and compliant. First, make sure you have Confluence admin permissions, because only admins can view audit logs. Head to your Confluence site and log in with your admin account. If you're not sure which account has those rights, check with your organization's Confluence owner before proceeding. For easy access, I've placed the official Confluence website link at the top of the description so you can sign in directly from there. Once you're in, open the admin console. Click your profile avatar in the top right corner, choose Settings, and then select Confluence Admin or Site Administration, depending on your version. This takes you to the central place where global settings and security tools live. Next, open the audit log. In the left-hand menu, look for Audit Log under Security or Administration, then click it. This page is the system's memory of what happened and when. You'll see entries for actions like page edits and deletions, user logins, permission changes, and app installations. Each record typically includes the action, who did it, when it happened, and where it occurred. If you manage a busy space, this is your best friend for traceability and accountability. To make the data meaningful, use filters. Start with the date range to focus on a specific window of time, such as the past week or a particular incident period. If you need to track a specific person's activity, use the user filter. To isolate certain types of changes, set the action type to things like page creation, deletion, or permission updates. Apply your filters and review the refined list to quickly spot what matters without wading through noise. If you need to share findings or run deeper analysis, export the logs. Click Export to download a CSV file. You can open this in your spreadsheet tool to sort, chart, or combine with other data sources. Be mindful of your organization's data governance policies when storing or sharing exported logs. Finally, build a habit of regular monitoring. Check the logs on a predictable cadence to catch unauthorized access, unusual content changes, or unexpected system configuration updates early. Consistent review helps you maintain compliance, troubleshoot issues faster, and demonstrate responsible administration. That's it. Simple, structured, and effective. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.